a dash of colour, and a drizzle of coconut cream. All you need is some coconut milk. Pour it in a pan with 120 millilitres of sugar and a pinch of salt. Stir it whilst on a low heat. Once it's all dissolved, we're going to remove that and put it into 5 different bowls. Add a drop of food colouring into each bowl. Stir it up to make your rainbow of colours. Now, in each bowl we're going to add some hot sticky rice that we made earlier. We want it to be glutinous rice for this recipe, so it's nice and sticky. Now, set those aside, and in a separate mixing bowl we add unsalted butter, icing sugar and salt. 1 egg goes in there and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 200 grams of all-purpose flour, added a little bit at a time, until you have a dough-like consistency. That is going to be rolled out on our chopping board, and we're going to cut a circle shape using a cake tin. Put that in our pie tray, pressing it around the edges and then removing any excess. Prick some holes in the base with a fork to let the air in and bake it at 150 degrees for 18 minutes. Meanwhile, 250 grams of mango puree, 100 grams of sugar and 6 egg yolks go in a pan with 250 grams of unsalted butter. That gets poured into our pie once ready out of the oven. Gooey and gorgeous. Chill that for an hour and it's ready. Time to add our rainbow sticky rice on top. Gorgeous. A sprig of mint and our coconut milk. Go on, have a bite.